Hi, this is Dinadanan, head of the Department of Geology, AVS College of Arts and Science, Salem. Today we are discussing about the topic of groundwater. First of all, what's a groundwater? Subsurface water is a groundwater. Surface water is a hydrogeological water. This is the different types of water. Parts of the hydrosphere, ice sheets and glaciers, groundwaters, lakes and reservoirs, soil moistures, water vapors in the atmosphere, and river waters. These are the subsurface and surface waters in the earth. Define and explanation of water. Water below earth surface occurring in open space including fracture, joints, faults or other space between rock particles. The amount of groundwater is strongly influenced by magnitude of infiltration, which is affected by other path take by precipitation of hydrogeological cycle. Groundwaters water in porous between sediments, waters in fractures, faults, joints, waters in larger opening like woods or caves. Groundwater. Kinds of groundwater: conite water, juvelins, meteoric. Conite water is a fossiliferous water. Conite waters entrapped breakless waters. Jewelers waters originating directly from magma. Meteoric fresh circulating water, which is the type commonly referred to as groundwater. Quality of rocks materials in respect to contact groundwater. Porosity. Basically groundwater depend upon porosity and permeability. Porosity is a measure of water capacity of a rock materials. High porosity contain a lot of water. Groundwater high porosity will shorted grain size. Low porosity poorly shorted. High porosity is small flatly sediments well shorted. Muds like mudstone and shales. Mudstone shales most conglomerate filling of opening. Low porosity igneous and metamorphic rocks. Permeability. A permeability measure of a ability of water to be transmitted by a substance is proportional to the degree interconnect wired between particles. Moving water in filtered and stay pure. Some rocks have high porosity but low permeability, which would yield low quality groundwater. Shale, clay, sands, pumic like. Groundwater high permeability most sandy materials, sandstones. High permeability well connected cracks. Low permeability mudstone and shells. Low permeability like pumics. Specific yield. A percentage of water obtained from a substance. Specific retention. A percentage of water retained by a substance after water extraction. Aquifers. Yeah, basic. What's aquifers? Yeah, subsurface waters is called aquifer. Aquifers and aquicloud. Aquicloud is a aquitoid. Aquifers is a high permeability substance. Aquicloud is a low permeability substance. There are many types of aquifers. A confined aquifer, unconfined aquifer. Unconfined aquifer. Groundwater is an aquifer with the low barrier to moving causes by the presence of aquifers below but not an upper barrier, allowing water to fluctuate over distance upwards. Groundwater, unconfined, confined. In between the gap, the layers of impermeable layer. It's called impermeable layer. What's the impermeable layer? Water not permit to the layer. It is called the impermeable layers. Groundwater, confined. Groundwater in an aquifer with a low and upper barrier of movements. There is an aquicloud located immediately above and below aquifers. Unconfined aquifer, zone of saturation, area of open space in rocks filled with water. Area is highest concentration of water. Subsurface layers are soil moisture zone, zone of aeration, zone of saturation. Zone of aeration, air plus water in the space is called zone of aeration. Groundwater table. Groundwater table is the upper level of zone of saturation. Water table for unconfined groundwater can fluctuate up and down over relatively long level. Zone of aeration. It's called a water zone. Area above water table unsaturated with water and opening filled primary with air. Small amount of water present by retention and capillary actions. Capillary can be greatest in the capillary film area. Thank you.